Yeah, do. We gonna about
Mayo, you have a step back. Sure.
come too close.
Yeah, right there, sir. Right there, sir.
So tonight we're gonna do some abs work. You know what I'm saying?
So, where you tongue for?
I Jamaica something?
Mayo, didn't me cheat. Mayo, me not start over.
No, but people.
I'm not starting over.
All right. So
What we are do tonight?
tonight we're gonna do abs, biceps, triceps.
Mayo, that's too much something.
No, man, you. That's how you have to work everything.
But Mayo, we
Strength.
supposed to...
No weakness. Strength, no weakness. The abs, the bicep, the tricep. And we're gonna do some chest.
One true natural, what we are do tonight?
What me tell you?
Oh lad, never hear from her. One true natural.
Legs.
What we're doing?
Legs, me I do legs.
Leg shadow, legs.
And my
And where you say now? Where you say you do?
abs, bicep, tricep.
So we're not doing a floor exercise.
Then the abs.
No, but you have to know abs different. You have abs machine or what?
No, abs on the floor, abs on the machine, and then we take a ball and come so.
Which ball? Me not taking no ball.
No, the ball.
Me don't like balling. Ladies and gentlemen, a gym shot. See there? Planet Fitness. See it over there, sir? Work, we are gonna work. Remember, a keynote device and one true natural.
Let it burn, you know. Yeah, burn, you know. You have to balance it, man, you. Ah, see that? Yeah. Let it burn. Strength, no weakness, you. Strength. Philip, three.
Yes.
I chew you do.
Yes. 3 and 1.
Chew you, Philip.
Yes.
You serious?
Oh, yes. I'm not feeling myself.
But he did it. He did it.
Until you burn.
I'm a cheater.
About 20.
I don't know how much I did, so now you
Start over there.
nah,
What are you doing?
benefit of the doubt.
Just start over though.
Let me get arrested.
What my yard do to them are you? Of course the hard. It's hard, it hurt. No,
You say it hard though. It very hard. It chew him belly slim. He might talk about yes, go ahead. It very hard. Yes, she done. Cheat candy, cheat. Hold on candy, hold on. Chatboard, chatboard.
Mas ah, vete na mayo. See there? Yeah, he doing good. Wow, Mayo. Mayo. Who are you? Where?
How much y'all supposed to do?
Until you're ready to stop.
No. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it.
No, hold it.
Yeah, but you're not holding it. You gotta hold it though. And then go from side to side, side to side. No, not like that.
Might watch your neck, you know.
My neck. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn.
You guys have a great day.
All right, take care.